Hello everyone, so now let's look at our question 14. In a table tennis team, we have red team and blue team. And each member in red team plays against 5 members of the blue team, and each member of blue team plays only 2 members of the red team. So from reading after reading this sentence, we can know we have blue team and red team, and the members in blue team and the red team, the ratio is just 5 to 2. Okay, and it is known that any 2 members of the red team have exactly one same opponent from the blue team. So we can just assume we have X team member in red team and X here. And remember, it's a kind of handshaking problem. So for example, we have 4 people here, and I want each of the guys shake hand with each other. So this one shake hand with 1, 2, 3 people, and this one also can shake hands with 3 people, right? This one also 3. So 4 people shake hands with 3 other person, so 4 times 3. And remember, I shake hands with you and you shake hands with me, it's the same, so I can just divide by 2. So I can find out how many hands I shake with each other. Now in this one, we have team number, so we assume we have the red team number have X, and we know about the red team have exactly one same opponent from the blue team. So we can use this conclusion and find out how many people in blue team is X times X minus 1 and divide by 2. Yeah, it's very easy. And we can calculate the ratio about blue team to red team. Use X to represent is X times X minus 1 divided by 2 to X. Then remember to simplify the ratio. Divide by X on both sides. It will become X minus 1 to 2. And remember, you can put the 2 on the denominator to the other side, and it will become X minus 1 to 2. And do we know the ratio about the numbers in blue team and red team? 5 to 2, right? So we can know X minus 1 to 2 is just 5 to 2. So do we know X equals to what? Yeah, of course, X equals to 6. And after that, we find out X equal to 6. And the question asks us to find out how many members are there in the blue team. So the member in blue team is just put X equals to 6 inside this one. Also this one. So it should be 6 times 5 and divide by 2. The answer is just 15. This one is a very traditional sport math problem. It's very typical question. And remember, the conclusion is that if we want to shake hand with each other, so how many times I shake hand? Just use the number of the people. For example, n times n minus 1 and divide by 2. Here's the total times of shake hands, or have a competition, like that. So it's very important solution. I hope all you guys can remember it.